Hello guys, review Xiaomi 15T, this version 12GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look completion. In completion we have device in the silver color, and in this we have Leica optical lens, MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra, 6.8-inch display, 120 Hz, refresh rate, 5500 mAh battery, 67 Watt hypercharge. Okay. Device without adapter for charging, only protected by cover and Type-C cable. That's all completion. Okay. Triple camera on the back side, on the front side display, power button, wall buttons on this side, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. We have Full HD Plus display, Android 15 and HyperOS 2.0.2. Very smooth walk. Okay, open Geekbench 6. We have GPU test results. Mali G720 and GPU test results. Very powerful, very good results. Okay, look onto the benchmark. Almost 2 million onto the benchmark score, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load works very good. Very smooth, and graphics on the max graphic level. Very high graphic level. Okay, that's all. Open camera and I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.